Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the fan on a MacBook Pro 2015, early 2015, 13-inch Retina display. Okay, so my MacBook has been acting up since like a couple years back. I just never took the time to like actually fix it or take it to Apple. I wasn't trying to spend like over $100 just to get the fan fixed. And I mean, it still works and everything, so I never really had the need to replace it until now. It's gotten to a point where it's getting way too hot and I can't even use it anymore. So I think it's time for a replacement. So there goes my cat. Okay, today I just decided to buy the parts online and just fix it myself. So it's not that hard, I think. I don't know. Anyways, I should know. I'm showing you guys how to do this. So what you're gonna need for this is your fan, obviously. I got this from iFixit. They got like everything, all the parts that you need in there. If it's not just fan, you can find anything in there. They sell basically everything to fix it yourself. You're also gonna need the toolkit. I bought this from Amazon, I think like 2 weeks ago. It cost me like $15. Not that. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys want to do that, or if you already have one, you can use that one too. First thing you want to do is make sure your MacBook is turned off. Next step would be taking off all the screws. 8 of them are the same, and then the ones close to the display are going to be a lot slightly smaller than the other ones. So just be careful on that. Just make sure you don't mix them up. So let's get started. All right, so first you gotta take off the screws. Okay, so the next step is going to be taking off the plastic cover off the battery. My laptop is a little bit old, so it's not really, look at this, it's super dirty. Anyways, taking that off so that you can disconnect the battery. Use the spudger to disconnect the battery from the laptop. Make sure you're careful with this because you don't want to mess it up. Make sure it's not connecting with the laptop. Just make sure you lift it all the way up so you prevent the battery connecting from the laptop. So the thing what you want to do is disconnect the rubber fan bumper from the fan. You can easily put that back on when you're done. Next step what you want to do is use the spudger to peel off the foam stickers, so that way you can like unscrew everything else. By the way guys, this is my first time doing this, so be patient with me. Okay, so what you want to do next is remove these 4 screws with your T5 screwdriver, and also remove this screw, which is slightly different than these other 4, with the same T5 screwdriver. So here he goes. Make sure you set these apart and don't mix them up, please, because they're so tiny that you will lose them. The next step would be removing the heatsink from the laptop. That way we're able to take everything off. Oh my gosh. Is that supposed to be like that? I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, honestly. Okay, so next, use the tip of the smudger on either side to push out this little connector right here. So after you do that, all you have to do is peel it off the fan. That way it doesn't get in the way. You remove it. Next thing you want to do is flip this off and carefully remove it. Carefully pull it back from the connector, make sure it's not touching, and then with the same T5 screwdriver, just gotta unscrew. Yep, you just gotta unscrew this real quick, and please make sure you don't mix any of these up. So by the way, these two are the same, and then this one's slightly bigger, so make sure you don't mix them up, please. As soon as you do that, you can easily lift off the fan from the laptop, put it to the side. Now you can get your new fan that you ordered from iFixit. So next thing what you want to do is get your fan that you ordered online, and we're going to do everything else in reverse, meaning we're going to put everything else back in place. So the fan should be able to spin. Also, make sure you guys don't put these too tight because you might break them. And done. If everything went right, the laptop should be able to turn on and work fine. I think you might have to reinstall the software again, but let's find out. Not sponsored, by the way, but still. Oh, thank God it works. I was actually scared because it wasn't turning on. The first time I did it, it didn't turn on, so it works now. Okay, good. You won't have to reinstall the software. It works perfectly. And I can hear. So everything works fine. I just checked the fan on this. Right now, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right now it's at 0 because it's not hot. It's not hot yet, so it's not gonna turn on. But if I put it at full blast, you guys can see that it's rising up and you can hear the fan actually blowing. And I can feel it too. So that's great news. Put it back to automatic and we're done. Thank you for watching. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you guys think I did something wrong, I don't care. And I don't care if you subscribe either. So thanks for watching.